This Black Friday, Writecream is heavily discounted, and in this video I'm going to share with you a coupon code that's going to get you 20% off Writecream if you're interested in using it. Not only that, but for those of you that stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get an additional discount. But for now, I want to show you this tool very briefly so you can get an idea if it's something that you would want to invest in. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a playlist. That playlist will show you exactly how to use Writecream, and it will show you how to get some additional free credits. But what is Writecream and why might you want to get it? Well, Writecream is an AI content creation tool or AI content generator, and you can write all kinds of copy and content with it. We've shown you on this channel how you can write articles and blogs. You can also do ads, icebreakers, SEO, video and audio, and social media. Now, as a word of warning, I'm not a massive fan of their video and audio tools yet. I don't think the audio is up to where it needs to be, but they have improved their image creation recently. So it's something that will improve over time and you can keep an eye on. The script writing's great. The ideation's great, but the actual audio for production isn't great yet. But if you're interested in social media, ads, icebreakers, blogs, then this is definitely something that you want to check out. And as I said, on this channel, we've shown you how you can get started for free and how you can pick up some free credits. But these are the main features that they have as selling points. For the article writer, you can get 1,000 words in 30 seconds, Facebook and Google ads, social media content, so producing captions. We've got writer's blocks, so they have lots of tools to help you get some ideas and help you produce proper copywriting paragraphs formulated with proper copywriting templates inside Writecream. Cold emails, LinkedIn, backlinks, all those kind of things. As I said, image and audio icebreakers. The image is definitely better than the audio at the moment. YouTube and voiceover and podcast. And it works in 75 different languages as well. And they have a mobile app, which is pretty unique. Only a few other AI content generators doing that at the moment. So if you're interested in this, then on the screen now, you're going to be able to see a coupon code. All you've got to do is go to the first link within the description of this video, click on that first link and then enter in that coupon code and you will be able to get Writecream at 20% off. But as a thank you, as I said, for those of you that have stuck around to the end of this video, I want to show you this. Because over on AppSumo at the moment, Writecream is on lifetime deal and it is $59, and that's a once-off lifetime deal. Okay, you can see here Black Friday is live. Get 10% off when you spend $150 on Black Friday products. So if you're having a look around the AppSumo store and you see something else you want to buy, then you can get this. If you're interested in picking up Writecream, then it's the second link inside the description that you can click on. It will bring you through here and then you can just go through and buy. They also have a sales page that you can read through and you can see the terms of the deal, so you can decide which version is best for you to buy the lifetime or use that coupon code I showed you in order to get Writecream at 20% off. As I said, on the screen now is a playlist where you can learn more about Writecream, watch me create a blog and other outputs on this software. But for now, we'll see you in the next one.